Dr. Palipana, thanks very much for being with us tonight. What are you going to tell the Royal Commission this week?
This week I'll be talking to the Royal Commission about a broad range of issues that affect people with disabilities. There were so many issues that people with disabilities faced in society pre-COVID, but during COVID-19, a lot of these issues have been exacerbated. For example, I have a friend who has a very high-level spinal cord injury and is dependent on 24-hour care. And the pandemic has created some issues around carers because he's dependent on someone physically interacting with him 24 hours a day. So if one of these people or even he becomes affected by COVID-19 or needs to be isolated for any reason, how does he manage that?
What about the issue? We know in the broader community that people have been reluctant to go to the hospital or go to see doctors because they're scared of contracting coronavirus. Is that also affecting people with disabilities?
I've observed some really poor outcomes because people have delayed presenting to the hospitals for these reasons. And I know at least in some instances they've gone badly to the point where they've needed intensive care, which probably could have been avoided if they presented earlier. So I think this is definitely something that's affecting people with disabilities.
Could the issues that we've seen play out in aged care facilities also happen in disability residential facilities? And if so, is there sufficient planning underway to avoid that? Absolutely.
Disability care in residential settings is fairly similar to aged care settings, and it's risky because you're in an environment where you have multiple people, and this is a population that often has physiological vulnerabilities. So if they were to get COVID-19 or in fact any other infectious disease, their disease progression could put them at a significantly higher risk of complications or death.
Dr. Palipana, many thanks for your time this evening.
Thank you so much, Lee.
Hi, I'm Lee Sales. Thanks for watching this story. If you'd like to watch more of 7:30's stories, they are on the left of your screen. And tap on the button below to subscribe and get the latest from ABC News.